utilized parallel retreat. What concept and what kind of slope development he has said? Parallel. लेल्सी किंग हैज गिवन पैरेलल retreat. तो इनका सारा साइकिल ऑफ इरोजन इज बेस्ड ऑन पैरेलल retreat, that is in a slope development aspect. He did not give any kind of stage and all. He talked about stages. He talked about stages which is time dependent. He talked about phases which is time independent. He talked about phases but time independent. And he did not talk about any phase, any time, anything, but his concept was completely, what is in a slope. I said that slope is replacing, but in the form of parallel retreat, equal parallel retreat. Understood? Understood? Oh, he talked about, I said that इनका concept था parallel. In his concept, I said that is in a slope displacement is there. Most important part is there, slope displacement by initial map through parallel retreat. So the parallel retreat was given by King, but the parallel retreat was discussed by the also Penck in the initial level. And he talked about the slope development in the form of, I said that, slope decline. What he talked about? What are the things he talked about? Yes? Who is providing time dependent approach? Davish and the others are time independent. Understood? And I said that, and everyone has a different, what is in a geographical reason, to some extent. Can we say that it is a probabilistic? Can we say that the probabilistic? The three things that in the human geography will study, one determinism, one possibilism, and another is, I said that, probabilism. He studied in the humid and cold climatic region. He studied in the Andes. He studied in the semi-arid. सभी जगह कोई nature अलग है. They have utilized their pragmatic aspect, scientific aspect. They have given their, I said that, one world, behavioral world. And then I said that for the cycle of erosion. But you know that what is the meaning of determinism? जब सारी activity आपकी determine की जाए through what I said that nature, that you must be knowing that nature is playing an active role, then it is deterministic approach. So when the nature determine your what is an activity, it is known as deterministic. Or if you see the tribal group, tribal people living in our society, that it is like in the forest and the other area, वो ज़्यादातर कैसे हैं? What? Deterministic है. Nature is determining their activity. और हम लोग कैसे बनते जा रहे हैं? Yes. The nature has provided lots of possibilities. उस possibilities में से, that is in a possibilism. Possibilism says that the nature is providing lots of possibilities, and the man is rather than the nature, they are active to choose, and accordingly they behave. And probabilistic says pragmatically choosing the best possibilities. Pragmatically choosing the. तो इन्होंने जो थ्योरी दिया वो कैसा होगा? पॉसिबिलिस्ट होगा या प्रोबेबिलिस्ट होगा? यस, पॉसिबिलिस्ट होगा या प्रोबेबिलिस्ट होगा? अपने कंसेप्ट से उन्होंने बेस्ट पॉसिबल दिया फॉर दैट रीजन. यस और नॉट? सो देयर थ्योरी डेवलप्ड ओवर, इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, आई सेड दैट, प्रोबेबिलिस्टिक. यस, pragmatic approach लिया इन्होंने, scientific knowledge, and then behavioral world बनाया, and then they have given then probabilistic based cycle of erosion. Probabilistic behavioral world of cycle of erosion इन्होंने बनाया दिमाग में, और प्रोबेबिलिस्टिक मेथड बेस्ड साइकिल ऑफ इरोजन. सो अंडरस्टूड इट. जो आप इनिशियल लाइन में व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग सम क्वेश्चन इन द मेंस, then you have to write like this: cycle of erosion has been given by the, जो भी नाम रहेगा, जो पूछा जाएगा, जैसे भी पूछा जाएगा, कंपेयर मेथड में पूछा जाएगा, तो दिस इज इन अ कंपैरिजन. दिस इज व्हाट आई सेड दैट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कंपेयर. इफ द क्वेश्चन इज देयर कंपेयर डेविस एंड आई सेड दैट Penck and King cycle of erosion, then compare में there is a similarities and as well as what differences that we have to talk about. But in the initial line that we have to write all this. ऐसा नहीं कि directly you started doing like this. Clear? Then you have to write about similarities and then you have to write about what? Dissimilarities, differences, compare में. Now differentiate, you know that only difference you have to give importance. आपको लगता है कि आप फिगर बना सकते हैं? Can you make the figure for this? यहाँ तक जितना मैंने समझाया, can you make a figure for this? You can make the map of the world. Yes. In the map of the world, need latitude countries में आप क्या दिखाओगे? Who has given this theory? Davis, Europe. वहाँ पे लिखोगे that is based of this region, humid climate. South Africa semi-arid region and Andes. अपने आप में ज्योग्राफी भी रहेगा. You are understanding and you are applying. और बगल में ही लिख दोगे, साइड में ही आप लिखोगे आई सेड दैट, ये लिखा है आपने, बट लिखोगे pragmatic converted into what is in a behavioral world map, and then behavioral world map has given us a probabilistic based cycle of erosion theory. लाइन में लिखेंगे तो एग्जामिनर कैन अंडरस्टैंड इटसेल्फ probabilistic based cycle of erosion. Just एक मैप बनाया, वर्ल्ड मैप, and in the world map that we have to represent it. कंसेप्ट तो है, दिस मैथड हैज एन कंसेप्ट, बट एट द सेम टाइम दिस ये जितने भी साइकिल ऑफ इरोजन थ्योरी जो पढ़ रहे हैं, इसमें याद भी रखना बहुत जरूरी. इट इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट टू व्हाट इज गोना रिमेंबर द फैक्ट्स. I said that yesterday I must have shown you what is the base level. Perhaps you know that the base level is the what? Mean sea level up to which the river can do erosion. The river can do erosion. Understood it? And एक आइडिया आप रखेंगे अपने दिमाग में. You have to keep an idea in your mind, like I said that in the slope development we have to have some idea. This is, I said that कन्वेक्स स्लोप. इसको कैसा स्लोप कहेंगे आप? कन्वेक्स स्लोप. दिस इज, आई सेड दैट, फ्री फेस कन्वेक्स स्लोप, फ्री फेस स्लोप. दिस इज, आई सेड दैट, debris or rectilinear slope, and you can see this one has concave slope. Just remember this point. Clear? Which are the slope? I said that convex, free face, debris, and that is also known as which slope? Rectilinear slope. That you have to keep it in your mind. Understood? And यहाँ पर something will always happen, something input, output, there will be output, less input or something like this, every time they will be there. In this region, हमेशा इस region में आप always you will see there will be a kind of soil creep. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Soil creep. माउंटेनस रीजन में ऊपर में धीरे धीरे सॉइल क्या करता है? मूव डाउनवर्ड. Soil is creeping very slowly. I said that very slowly soil is what? Creeping means in 1 year it is moving with the speed of, I said that few centimeter or maybe in a 50 centimeter, maybe in a 1 meter around also. That is, I said that soil creep. Sometimes it can have a flow. Soil creep के लिए there is an important part is there. I said that important part is there. Listen me. Suppose this is in a rock, and in this rock, I said that there is a water. आपकी जो लैंडस्लाइड की क्लास होगी इवनिंग में, इन दैट क्लास आई विल टीच यू ऑल दिस. लेकिन आई सेड दैट जब when the water available in the soil will in the freezing condition of mountainous upper region, when they will convert into what I said that ice, their volume will increase by 9%. So जब increase होगा तो ऐसे increase होगा. They will increase like their volume will increase, or this section will I said that it will expand. It will expand. And what happens when it is expanding, but during the melting, summer time and all, जब temperature it is increasing, तो gravity किधर होता है? Perpendicular down. So they will, so this rock will move to this position. It means, and the next year again it will expand. So this is the way, it is very slowly moving, it is very slowly. So it is in a kind of alternate thawing and freezing. Alternate thawing, melting. Thawing means melting. So this way, therefore I said that soil creep will not take place in this region. कहाँ पे होगा? Higher side. Understood? And इसी में पानी थोड़ा ज़्यादा involve हो गया. When the water involve more, this soil creep will convert into solifluction. Soil creep will convert into solifluction. Means the water gets saturated. In this region, when the water gets saturation, then the soil creep will convert into what? वो थोड़ा सा fast move करने लगेगा compared to the creep. But in which condition? This bottle पानी से भरा हुआ होगा तो इसको क्या बोलूँगा? Saturated. So whatever the space in the soil, in the intermolecular space between the particle, if it has been filled up with water, और साथ में alternate freezing and thawing, तो इसकी speed comparatively क्या होगी? Faster होगी. क्योंकि पानी ज़्यादा है तो when thawing will be happen, then it will be faster. Understood it? And that is known as what? Solifluction. Understood it? And यहाँ पर, but in this height, if the freezing is not taking place, freezing is, हो सकता है कि it is in a tropical country and this is not on a height where the freezing is taking place. If the freezing and the soil creep and solifluction is not taking place, then there is a rainfall की वजह से there can be a flow. Flow कब होता है? When the soil is saturated with water. Then the flow takes place. Flow means saturation. 100% saturation. And if it will be 100 more percent, then therefore you have been heard, जब ये बहुत ज़्यादा saturate हो जाएगा, the earth will started flowing, earth flow, upper portion started. And if there is a particle like sand or sand से बड़ा size का होगा, that is known as a debris flow. And then there will be if the particle size is less than sand, it is known as mud flow. So if in the flow, so the flow can be of, I said that, which are the flow I said? Earth flow, and then debris flow, and then I said which flow? Earth flow, debris flow. If large area, whole large area is slowly and slowly moving, it is known as, I said that. What it is known as that? Earth flow. And in the Uttarakhand in 2013, these two things has been happened more. Rainfall बहुत हुआ, and there is no forest. Then upper soil has been completely saturated with water. And when the itne bade bade tukde and all these are moving with this along with the sand, I said that when the flow ho raha ho, it is in a saturated condition and the things are moving downward, and the size of the particle is more than sand, it is known as debris flow. And when the size of the particle is less than sand, it is known as size is greater than sand, और यहाँ पे size is less than sand. So these things can happen over there. Yes. Thereafter, in this region, one more thing can happen. There is enough fall. No water, but under the gravity